Because the MotiveLMS will create recursive enrollments for courses that have to be done yearly or every other year or every 3 years, we have heard reports where some learners will sit through the same course multiple times in one sitting simply because they appear in their actionable column of their My Training page. So we have actually built in a feature that will allow the recursive enrollment to be delayed, which will prevent somebody from launching the course over and over in the single sitting, and it won't become available until a date that you as an administrator have set. To delay those courses, what you would want to do is select Manage, Course Catalog under the Training Content column, and then you'll find a course that you would want to have delayed. Now it's only really applicable to WBT courses, checklist, or PDF enrollments, because those three are the only courses that the LMS actually launches content from. It isn't really necessary to delay an ILT course type. So once you find the course, you'll select View, and then Edit Course Offering. And on the Update Course Offering page, you're going to want to scroll down to the Completed Enrollment Actions section. Click the plus button to expand that area, and you'll see two different fields: the number of days to delay enrollments and the number of days until re-enrollment is due. These two fields are cumulative. So if this is an annual course, I'm going to say that I want to delay the enrollment for 65 days, and then it's going to become due 300 days after those 65 days end. And what will end up happening is this is going to total out your year from the previous completion. However, when they receive their recursive enrollment, they will not be able to actually launch the enrollment for 65 days. The theory behind that would be that they would finish their training as a new hire, move on to their actual job functions, and then would not be returning back to the LMS for a year later to do their recurrent training. So once you have these values set for the course, you'll scroll down to the bottom and you'll click Update, the Update button to update the course offering. Now, once a learner receives their enrollment for a course that has been delayed, it's still going to appear in their actionable column, but when they click on View, they're going to have a message where the launch button would be that tells them that the enrollment will become available 65 days after they've completed it. And again, that prevents them from relaunching it multiple times in one sitting. So we hope that this helps you work in the LMS a little bit more efficiently. If you ever have any questions, feel free to give me a call. If this is something that you're not really comfortable setting up the first time, call me. I'll walk you through it. The biggest thing to remember is that those two dates between the days to delay and the days to due are cumulative. So if it's 1 year, you want to make sure they total 365, 2 years, 730, and 3 years, 1095. Thank you.